Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, it is your lady always here. Guys, you know about my channel, I do many things. I have sit down videos, I do cooking, I watch anything all over my life. Yeah, if you can check my description, it's all about my life from past, present, future. God know I cannot talk about my future, but let's talk what I'm always doing with my life. Like that, guys. So what we're going to do here, guys, today we are going to prepare popcorns. You can see we are having it is Naivas. This one is imported popcorns. Yeah, 500 grams. So I'm going to use just little. Yeah, with popcorns I cannot pour it here full, because that one, my kitchen will be full of popcorns, guys. So what I'm going to do next, my sufri on fire already. Yeah, I'm also going to use, I'm always using Avena, guys. This cooking oil, that is my fire. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to pour, guys, my popcorns inside here. Just like that, guys. But I'm afraid that this one even can be too many. Can be too many for this sofuria. Yeah, guys, like that. Okay, let's just put it, all of it. Let's just put all of it. We'll see what's gonna happen next. So guys, after here, our sufuria is already hot. So we are going to add our cooking oil, guys. Just like that. Guys, this one is just Guyana use. Try to use a medium heat, guys. Not high, not low, medium. With my cocoa. Yeah, I'm having that part written medium, high, low. So I'm using medium heat, guys. Just use enough oil, not too many. Don't make oil be like water inside your sufuria, guys. Just like that, guys. I'm done with my cooking oil. Yeah, I'm done with my cooking oil. Just like that, guys. Just like that. Just like that. So guys, what we are going to do next here, we are going to wait until we hear or until we see some popcorns already popping up, guys. Yeah, we want to see them popping up, then we close. Then we close it. Yeah, for it to pop up all of it. Oh my good God. What am I going to use to close it? You must close, because that time popcorn is popping up, my friends. It will be all over the place. Okay, I'm going to use this one, guys, to cover it. This one myself rate is old, but it is still helping me to cover my food while cooking. Yeah, it is old, but I use it to cover my food. So guys, what I'm waiting here, I'm waiting for my popcorn to start popping up. Yeah, I'm waiting it to start popping up. You will hear or you will see. You'll see it popping. They are turning white already, or you will see them like you'll hear the sound, guys. So let's give it time to start popping. One, then we close like that, guys. Thank you so much always for staying with me. I appreciate. Yeah. So let's give it time. Yeah, you hear that? You hear, guys? That one like that. You hear that? Or yourself like that, guys. So we have to close, guys, because we don't want popcorns all over our kitchen, guys. So guys, like that, let's give it time to, yeah. I don't have this, I don't have those. I don't have, guys, I don't have those transparent pots yet. So I'm using what I have in my kitchen. I'm just having this traditional normal sufuria. So you cannot see what's happening inside. How I wish I'm having those different sufuria pots, but I will be having one day. Not soon, but definitely. Yeah. We cannot die, guys. We believe you cannot die. You're going to grave with full of unaccomplished dreams. Bye. Just like that. This my today's video will be short. Not more than 20 minutes. Yeah, so guys, you can hear the voice horn sound, not voice sound. It's becoming now low, meaning they are almost popping up. All of them is almost. Guys, you know you are going to use sugar. You're going to use sugar, guys. So you are going to see how we are going to use sugar here. Yes. Yeah, we are used to using salt, sprinkle salt all over our popcorns. But today let's try a new recipe using sugar. So guys, it is done. Yeah, it is done. Let's open it so that you can see. Yeah, let's open it. Yeah, guys, you can see it is like that. Like that. Yeah, some are still popping up. Oh my good God. This is what I use. I showed you this one already. So guys, that one is done like that. That one is done like that. So where we are going to use sugar now, please check, stay with me. This is another new, not new, but another sufuria. Yes, we are going to melt our sugar like that. So guys, I'm having a baby bar. Where my friend? The time you are preparing your things is when baby is like, I don't know what. I don't know guys. So guys, here we're going to melt our sugar. We're going to melt our sugar. So here guys, you have to use a low heat. Very low heat guys. Let me cover our popcorn guys. Yeah, let me cover. I like covering cooked foods. You cannot just cook food then you leave it like that. Yeah, you have to cover. Yeah, so let's give it time to dry. Yeah, let's give it time to dry. So yeah guys, use low heat. So guys, our soup is already dried. So we are going to add the sugar guys. We are going to add the sugar. Guys, not too many guys, just enough. We are trying a new recipe guys. Nothing new here because we are used to using salt. I don't know how also we can sprinkle our sugar inside our popcorn like that one, but let me try this. Let me try melting. Yeah, let me try this one, then I will see whether I can continue with my salt or I'll be doing this. But do you know why I'm trying to do this guys? There was a time I tasted this popcorn prepared using sugar. It was so nice, guys. It was so nice. So let's try this. There's just enough sugar, not too many, because if it is salt, just use very small salt, very small, but sugar, so let's allow it to melt, guys. Yeah, you have to do it under low heat, very low heat, guys, very low heat, yeah, for it to melt. Yeah, these are just the decorations. We are trying everything in the kitchen, guys. We're just trying everything, nothing special here. So we are allowing it to melt, guys. So yeah, guys, you keep on stirring like this. You keep on, for it not to stick inside our sufuria. You keep on like that. You allow it to melt. I'll show you, guys. You can see it is now melting. You can see it is melting, guys. You can see. Yeah, guys, it keeps on melting, guys, like that. It keeps on melting. You can see. Yes, under low heat, guys. Under low heat. Yeah, like that. Under low heat. You see? Under low heat, guys. Yeah. So guys, you saw our sugar, so I've added our popcorns inside here. I've added our popcorns inside that melted sugar. This is what I'm doing, guys. You keep on doing like this. You remember our melted sugar, guys. So I added, you can see, this one is our sugar. It's still melted, you can see inside here. But guys, you can see there is still heat, fire, but very low. So keep on doing like that, keep on stirring like that. Yeah, then I can add some also. Like that. Like that, guys. Yeah, you wanna try this using sugar, guys. So guys, what I can do now, I can take this one and add it inside here. Guys, you can see. Yeah, we melted the sugar, then we added our popcorns, guys. This is where we melted our sugar. So guys, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to ensure that all my popcorns is having that sugar taste. That's what I'm trying to do. So I will be turning until I finish. Guys, if you are cooking and you want a good result, you must give it time. You must give it time. Guys, this is my... So I want... again here, guys, I want all of it to have that taste, guys. I'm trying to ensure that all of it having that taste, guys. That's what I'm doing. Guys, you just saw the amount of popcorns I used, and you can see what is happening here. Okay, guys, now can lower my eat. Can bring my eat like that. Very so sweet. Very sweet, guys. Very sweet, guys. Very sweet. So just ensure that your popcorns you use what I used, guys. Cooking oil. After your popcorns are done popping, then you melt your sugar. Yeah, then you keep on turning, changing inside the sufuria for all of it to have that sugar taste, guys. What I'm going to do here, guys, I'm just going to pack like this, guys, for my people. When they come, at least they will have some. Guys, you can see what I used. I will just use quarter, guys, because when taking tea, guys, you cannot, this one, for me, I cannot take tea, 1 cup, this small thing, 2. Yeah, it is just like water, guys. So I'm going to pack it here, guys, for my people. Well, some are in school, some are at work, so when they come, at least they will find some. So now I'm just having my small baby guys here. Guys, these are kind of very simple snacks you can prepare for your babies while going to school. Those babies going to school, staying till in the evening, you can give them these ones, because I can see my baby cannot go to school without snacks. So what you can do, you can prepare things like this one. Yeah, and then give your son to school, guys. Just pack like this. My baby is still crying for some that has been hitting them, guys, because some babies like sugar. Oh my good God. Okay, so you can just pack for your son or your daughter like this. And you should carry to school. Not that bad, guys. Yeah, mothers, you must try. love they love some people really love sweet. So you can also try this one, guys. Also try this one for yourself. Nothing unique here, guys. Nothing unique here. Thank you so much, guys. I'll be just doing talking in my videos until I learn where I can get copyright free music, guys, because what I tried using then I'm closing like this, guys. Yeah, so my son will get this one. Yeah, guys, this is it. And remember, we are still having some inside here. We are still having some, but you know, with popcorns. Yeah, guys, bye for today. I hope you have seen the procedure. Thank you so much for staying with me. Yeah, don't use too much sugar, just enough. Like here you can see, if you after you sprinkle it, like after you have done turning, yeah, the sugar will be not that too much, because popcorn is enough. Yeah, not too small for the quantity is enough for the sugar used. Bye, love you so much. Bye.